In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your deleted videos on YouTube. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have accidentally deleted some of your YouTube videos and now you want to recover them, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser. In the search bar, type youtube.com/support. Click on search. Now click on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screens. Scroll down and click on submit feedback. Then click on next. Now in this box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to write down that you accidentally deleted your YouTube videos and now you want to recover them. Once you have stated down the issue, click on this option that says we may email you for more information. And after that, all you have to do is to click on send. And once you click on send, within the next 24 hours, your deleted videos on YouTube will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.